Product websites for disabled people. Chapter 1. Products for disabled people. Disabled products info. The most common products are adult diapers, amplified speakerphone, bath lift, bed extenders, raise the bed a few inches to an easier height to sit on, blood pressure monitor, canes, clapper or light touch switches, easy grip items with big handles like a big knife, easy to use thicker handles on knives, toothbrushes, kitchen and grooming implements, elevators, jar openers, mounted and accommodating a jar openers, key holders that provide an easier grip on small, hard-to-turn keys, lever handles, lift chairs, help getting in and out of chairs, lightweight vacuum cleaners, long-handled shoehorns, mobility-equipped vehicles, either to drive or transport someone has mobility ramp, personal monitoring device/alarm, portable ramp, raised toilet seats, designed to fit over existing toilet bowl. Raised toilet seats designed to fit over existing toilet bowl, raise the seat to 20 cm, can be purchased with side railings for easy use. Ramps, rocker or light touch switches, scooters, seating products for wheelchairs like cushions, shower seats, side railings for your toilet, stair lift, walkers, wheelchairs. Some seniors will not want to use a walker or cane, so don't buy it if they refuse to use one. Abilities.com, resource for disabilities. abilities.com/community/disability-products.html. Free info. Senior products for sale. ActiveSenior.com. Exclusively seniors.com. AdvancedSeniorSolutions.com. dynamic-living.com, products for seniors and others with special needs. Glad.net, glad to be home supplies medical equipment products such as sport wheelchairs and scooters. Goldviolin.com, ergonomic tools, magnifiers, pill organizers, and walking sticks. Labels4meds.com, provides low-priced, time-saving, organizational, safety tools to individuals wishing to more easily identify and manage medications. LifeSolutionsPlus.com, LivingZenior.com, MaxiAids.com, MediaBraid.com/solutions/independent-living.html, MSGlobalDirect.com, walking canes, arthritis relief. MySeniorns.com, online general store for mature adults that offers a variety of assisted and independent living items. Products for seniors.com. SeniorCelebration.com. SeniorDiscounts.com. SeniorPro.com, a directory of services and housing just for Florida seniors. SENIORS-DISCOUNT.com. SeniorSuperstores.com. THRIFTY50.com, great values and information on everyday products and services that you use. YoursPECIALNSolutions.com. Disabled disability product websites 1. AbleLinkTech.com. AbleAnyTincture.com. AblePhone.com, AblePhone, hands-free phone. AccessibilityPro.com. AccessibleDesigns.com, Accessible Designs, Inc., anti-slip transfer boards, more. Accessible-showers.com. AccessiBletech4all.org. AccessibleVans.com. AccessDR.com, access to recreation, independent living products. achievableconcepts.us/USA_cycling.htm, trikes, bikes, and cycling for disabled children and adults. ActiveForever.com, ActiveForever.com. Offers a wide selection of assistive daily living aids. AdaptiveMall.com, Adaptive Mall. ADAPT-TECHNOLOGIES.com, Adaptive Technologies and Research, the Adapt A Grip System. AddWarehouse.com, ADD Warehouse, products for attention deficit disorder and learning disabilities. AlignRight.com, Pillow Company Ltd. AllegroMedical.com, medical discount medical supplies. AlphabetSigns.com, alphabet signs, ADA signs. A-med.com, AMED Healthcare Center, medical supplies. AmericanDiscountMed.com. ApexDynamics.com, Apex Dynamics, lifts and transfers. AquilaCorp.com, AquilaCorp, wheelchair cushion manufacturer. AssistiveDivikeski.com. Attaccess.org, Alliance for Accessible Technology. AugComm.com, augmentative device users. BISO.com, disabled living shop. Boulevard.com, The Boulevard, a disability and healthcare site. BRIGHT-START.com, Bright Start Therapeutics dedicated to developing better therapeutic solutions for special needs children. BRUSH-AWAY.com, Brush Away. In-wall toilet brush cabinet. Disabled disability product websites too. AbleAnyTincture.com. CARE4U.com, CARE4U, aids for daily living. CARecaller.com, nurse call, ECHL system. ChroniqueCouture.com, fashionable products for the disabled. ComfortHouse.com, Comfort House. Products that make life easier, arthritis and independent living aids. ContactAssist.com, contact assistive technology. ConvEquip.com, Convocip, obese and bariatric patient aids. Difflearn.com, different roads to learning, products for children with developmental delays. DiningWithDignity.com, Dining with Dignity, utensils for the disabled. DisabilitiesUpplies.com. DragonflyToys.com, Dragonfly Toys aids for daily living. Dynamic-living.com, dynamic living, solutions for easier living. EaseCushion.com.